Basically, as you saw in the intro, we're going to be making a gun fire in a fancy way. Okay, so let's get started. First things first, we're going to have to go up to the top of this, and we're going to go on to layer and new solid. Okay, so we've got solid. Doesn't really matter any color what we have. So okay, we've got solid now. Then you can. I'll have a link in the description of what the video Copilot saber. Okay, so basically press the saber, and you get this saber type thing where you can move around like in the other videos. And let's find a good there's many options. Okay, let's find a good option. I'm gonna use fire because it's got this nice blaze effect. And let's pick a red. Okay, so we got a red. Okay, so we got the fire. Now all we need to do is make it in that way. Whoops. Command Z to rewind it. There, so it's this way now. Okay, so we got it this way, and now we are going to... Basically, there's a few ways to do it. I need to move this up. You're not going to be able to see the screen anymore. Okay, so move it. There, it's back in order. Okay, so now I've got it. And we're going to be doing it, so let's put add. Okay, so we got that in really nice glow effect. Let's do it to the bit where we want to fire. Loading. And here. Okay, so fire. And I'm going to make it quite realistic. You don't have to make it this realistic. Glow intensity. I'm going to wrap it up here. Like it's regenerating. And then when it gets here, when they jump up, when it like goes poof. Okay, so that's about there. I'm going to make it fly across like a laser beam. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to now make the blaze a bit less. Much less. And then go to the core start here. And then make it go here. And if we go back to where the other one is, press M, get this down, transform, there back where the other one is. And make this the core place back here. Okay, so we got it like that, a nice little touch. If you don't think it's nice, how dare you? Okay, then we can just set the opacity to 0 here, and move this along to, no, let's make it 100% here. Now let's watch it. It goes a bit, remember it's rendering in real time, so it's a bit slow. Okay, so let's watch. It's like it's regenerating. It's like... It's going to be much quicker than this because it's rendering and it's not in real time. So then it's going to go... like you're shooting a plasma cannon, like a laser type thing. And you can add a glow mask effect, but I'm not going to do that. There it goes. Okay, that's annoying. Go back and... Oh. Okay. There, and then when we get here, I want the core blaze to go here. Here, and then slowly goes till we get... Yep, so that's going to look like Ghostbusters. It's going to not render like this. Okay. So, hey guys, basically I'm just going to ask you in the comments, please put in the comments if you like this video or not, and tell me what you want next time, because I'm open for next time answers right now, and I can give you a shout out if you want. Okay. So it's a nice video. Let's watch it in full speed. Like this laser, and then when you get to here, you could, if you want, animate. So it goes like that. follows this, but I don't want to. Command Z to rewind it. I'm going to make the opacity to 0 there, and make the opacity 100% here, so it doesn't go down straight away. Okay, and here we have what it is, a pretty simple but easy effect. You can show your friends, and your friends will be like, "How come you have a plasma cannon?" Yep, I can like mute it because it's quite an annoying noise, that load. Nice. You just need a plasma cannon load, like. Now just let it render, and bam, we have done. Okay, so I hope you liked this tutorial. This was a quick one, and yeah, please like and subscribe if you like our content.